Hi friends, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I wanted to pop in here live in my Facebook group because my paper pumpkin kit came yesterday and I've been having a lot of fun playing with it, and I wanted to share some ideas with you right away before any of you have a chance to do a whole lot with them. I try to get my ideas out there so that you have lots of ideas to work with when you are playing around with your kits and crafting with them. So first, let me show you what comes with this kit. This was this month's box. This month's kit is called Jolly Gingerbread. So I love that the box coordinates with the name of the kit. And here is the flyer that comes with it to give you a little bit of an idea of what this month's kit is. So we have these cute little cards that all look like adorable gingerbread houses. So that has the instructions inside. We have the stamp set that has this could be a gingerbread house, or it could be just a cute little cottage. We have some decorative stamps for the fronts of the houses, but I also use these for other things. And then lots of greetings. Happy holidays, more merry, a sweet treat for you, wishing you a jolly Christmas, to and from, you can use on tags, enjoy and with love. Our ink color this month was Blushing Bride. We have lots and lots of gingerbread house bases and fronts, coordinating envelopes, which are adorable, of course. The envelopes are always cute that come in these kits. Tags to put on the front, cute little squishy stickers. I don't know what these are called. They're those fun squishy ones. These were my favorites when I was a kid. So we have all of these things ready to make some cute little gingerbread houses. So the first thing I want to do is show you how to make up the kit as intended, and then I'm going to show you quite a few alternative ideas of what else you can do with them. So here is one of the little gingerbread house bases. So there's two stamps that were designed to decorate the piece that goes on the front, and here's the piece that goes on the front. And I have my Blushing Bride ink pad. I just grab my big ink pad since I have them. So I'll stamp this big one down here around the bottom. Now I'm going to stamp the smaller one at the top. There are a couple little punch outs here. The fronts of the houses came in a sheet. I just had to punch them out. These came just like this, how they look right here. So these are designed, I haven't even said this yet, these are actually designed to be gift card holders. So I'm going to show you how to make this to be a gift card holder, and then I'm going to show you lots of other things. So on this flap over here, this is the extra little flap that's going to seal all of this closed. I'm going to put a piece of tear and tape adhesive, and we got a nice little roll with our kits this month, which was exciting. And then you can decide how you want to do this. The kit said to put the little adhesive dots down here at the bottom on the inside to seal the bottom shut, but I'm just going to use another piece of tear and tape. So we need to fold the little flap over, remove the paper backing from both of these strips. There we go. And then fold that closed. So I have adhesive here. I have adhesive on that little strip. I'm going to fold this closed. Now we have a little pocket to slide a gift card into. So we'll decorate the front. I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of this piece. That will be the front of the house. Then we'll add a little tag and some stickers, and they are basically done. So I just tried to center the opening around the door is how I lined those up. I have some tags already ready here. This one says More Merry. We'll stick that right there. And I have some stickers. So I played around with where to add these stickers onto the cards, and on most of them I just put one on each side down here at the bottom. Some of the ones I tried something different, which you will see. But aren't those cute? And then they have the adorable envelopes to put them in, and these can make really cute little gift card holders. So what if you don't want gift card holders? Because sometimes I think that's one of the things that scares people away from subscribing for Paper Pumpkin is, well, what if I don't want whatever the kit is? Well, never fear, my friends, because I share other ideas for them, and other people out there like me share lots and lots of ideas too. So the kit instructions actually tell you, they actually give you some alternative ideas. So I'll pop this one in here. That's one of the other gift card holders I had prepared. So there's two of those. Now the kit instructions tell you if you want to make regular cards, you can just trim off this little flap right here and decorate it, and you have a regular card. So I stamped on the inside. I added, these were a couple of little punch outs from the top of the houses. I stamped with that Blushing Bright ink, and you can make regular cards that also fit in your cute little envelopes. Okay, so maybe you don't want a bunch of cute little cards. The other idea that Stampin' Up suggested was to trim off your little flap and then trim this in half, and you can make gift tags. I love these gift tags. They are so cute. I just punched a hole up here in the top, put some ribbon through, and basically decorated them the same as these others. There is a stamp in the stamp set that says to and from, so you can stamp your to and from on the back. And you have some adorable gift tags. So those are the samples that were included on the instructions from Stampin' Up, but I have 3 more alternative ideas for you that I'm really excited about. So number 1, I have to make a scrapbook page with these gingerbread houses. I mean, who could pass up the chance to make a scrapbook page with these cute little gingerbread houses? So I took 3 separate cards. I attached them together, and then I cut, there was a 6th house over here that I just cut off. And then I decorated them. So I put the fronts of the houses on the ones on the ends and the one in the center. And then I used the stamps to stamp the 2 here in the middle, and added some decorations, little stickers. I added some little bows, and I used that decorative stamp around the edges just to add a little bit of decoration. So we have the scrapbook page. I wanted to save this one for last, but I'm going to save the other one for last because I'm actually going to show you exactly how to make it. So this is my second alternative idea. Just looks like a little gingerbread that I wrapped a ribbon around, but let's open this up and see what we have here. And we have an accordion card. I just love this. When I saw these pieces with the little flaps hanging off the side, I thought, okay, I definitely have to attach a bunch of those together and make a little accordion card. So you could do different things with this. It could just be a really cute, fun card for somebody. You could stamp different greetings across here. You could write messages. Maybe one member of your family writes a message on each panel, or maybe you write a different message on each panel to the person who's getting it. Or what I think would be even more fun than that is to use this as a little mini photo album. Put pictures in here of, you know, you with the recipient, or just nice pictures of them, and then use it as a little gift. Actually, I was thinking I may use this as a decoration in my house. We love to bake Christmas cookies around here. Christmas cookies are definitely a tradition. We make, I don't even know how many kinds every year, but it's a whole bunch. And I have some really neat pictures of baking cookies over the years. And I thought, you know, maybe I will print off some of my pictures small so they'll fit in here. And then I could just set this up as a decoration for Christmas. So that's an idea. And my last idea, I'm going to show you how to do this so that you could actually do this yourself, but it's a little treat box. So I took the cards, I cut them apart, and then I added a little box in the center. So you could use these at your Christmas table to put little treats in. You could put people's names on them if you like to do that. And yeah, or just use them as little gifts. So let's look at how to do that. I have already trimmed one of the cards in half, and I cut that extra little flap off. And then here is what you're going to need to add to it. This color is cinnamon cider, which coordinates with the gingerbread houses. But you need a piece of cardstock that measures 3 inches by 7 inches. And you need to score it. If you can see that, you need to score it at 2 1/4 inches, 3 1/4 inches, 5 1/2, and 6 1/2. And then you need to turn it vertically and score at 2 inches. So after you have that done, you need to trim on these short lines up to that horizontal line. And we'll trim this corner piece out. And then this gets folded up like a box. So we can put adhesive. I'm going to flip this over and put my adhesive on the back. And I'll just use some Seal Plus to make it a little quicker. But put adhesive on the little flap on the side, and then choose one of these big flaps and put adhesive all over that. So the first thing I want to do is fold the box together with this side flap. And then I can fold those side flaps in, fold the one with the adhesive in so that it is there and ready for this other piece to come in. And mine isn't folded perfectly. I didn't get my bone folder out or do my creases perfectly. But after that, you can add these pieces onto the fronts and the backs. I did find that it looked a little bit better if I trimmed these down just a touch narrower, because if not, then there was a little bit of white sticking out down here. So if you trim them just a little bit, make them a little bit narrower, then they fit perfectly. And you can put little treats in them, make them little gifts, wrap them up in a little cellophane bag, and these would make really nice little gifts for people. So those are my ideas for the November paper pumpkin kit. Let's bring these back in. And yeah, if you are interested in subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, I really encourage you to try it out. This year's projects have been my absolute favorites of all time, which gives me a lot of faith that Stampin' Up! Is going to keep coming out with more and more really neat ideas. So, Paper Pumpkin costs $22 a month. There's 2 ways to subscribe. You can sign up and be billed monthly when your kit ships. And anytime you want to, you can cancel or pause it. You are not obligated to anything. We also have the prepaid option where you can purchase a prepaid subscription, like 1 month or 3 months. Makes a really nice gift, especially with Christmas coming up here. Or if you choose 6 months, you get a discount on your kits. You save $1 per month. If you choose 12 months, you save $2 per month. And you can also get Hostess rewards on that and get some free product. So that's a little bit about Paper Pumpkin. You can learn more. I'll post a link in the description when I get this posted on YouTube. If you have questions, please let me know. I would love to help you get subscribed to Paper Pumpkin, or just talk about it a little bit more and decide if this is something you would like to do for yourself or for someone else as a gift. So thanks for joining in. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope to see you again next time.